Hello host family, especially kids. Welcome to my application video. My name is Isabel, I'm 19 years old and I live in a small town in the south of Germany. In my free time, I play soccer in a women's soccer team. I also like to meet my friends, read books, do other sports like running or just spend time outside in the nature. Well, that's easy to explain. First of all, I love to spend time with children. I love to care for them and play with them, to visit the playground, to draw, to cook or bake, to read a book or just play outside. As an au pair, I want to become part of a new American family and experience the American, especially their way of life. I have always been interested in different cultures, and going abroad as an au pair is the best opportunity to get to know other people and the culture. Improving my English skills and personal development, but also gaining more experience in the work with children are reasons why I want to be an au pair. So, I hope we will spend a great time together while I'm staying in the USA. Since September 2012 I work in a nursery as an educator. The children I care for are aged 4 months to 3 years. I really enjoy working here. It gives me great pleasure to care for these children and to be a part of their development. I also have experience in caring and looking after older children till the age of 11. I am a reliable, open-minded and active person with lots of ideas. Furthermore, I am empathic, tolerant, responsible, honest and a great listener who shows a great understanding for the children's and parents' needs and wishes. Because of the childcare experience I got from my work as an educator, I am patient and I am able to handle with stressful situations. And of course, I'm a very good driver. I have passed my driver's license about 3 years ago and I drive almost every day. I hope you enjoyed watching my application video and it will help you with your decision. I'm looking forward to hear from you soon. I think this is gonna be an awesome year. Thank you for the time we will spend together.
Bye!
Bye!
War sehr gut.